Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Michelle Canlas, 25 years old. I'm single. I'm a high school graduate.
Hi, Miss Michelle. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I think the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper, it must be honest, kind, patient, and hardworking.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will avoid my homesickness by keeping myself busy at work.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am. Give the right food on time, take a bath every day, and love them as my own younger sister and brother.
What if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
I will say sorry and not to do it again.
Any message or promise your employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I need this job for my family and promise I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Michelle, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.